Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a very excited video. I have never tried the Dyson hair stuff, so my neighbor was very nice and told me that I could try it, so I thought it would be a cool video for me to try it since I have like extremely curly hair, so I want to see how this works for me. I've been thinking about buying it and I just want to try it before I purchase a very expensive hair tool. If you would like to see how I liked it or how I like it and everything, let's just keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair first. So I had just used my Olaplex, I think is what it's called. You're supposed to keep it for like 10 minutes or more. I usually keep it overnight and it helps my hair be like so soft. And since I have blonde hair, it definitely needs the moisture. So I'll put the link for the one that I use. It is so nice for my hair. I think what I want to do is using this. I feel like this would be the one that I'm going to be using for everything. I've seen a lot of videos for people using like these, especially ones that have really curly hair, that these don't work as well just because it really has to get into the very top of it for curly hair. So I'm going to go right into this one, and I think I have to blow dry first, right? Do I? I don't even know. So we're just gonna go right into this and we're gonna see if this is gonna work. So for my hair, I love to use this. I've been using this since I was in like high school, not this exact one. This is the Chi Keratin Silk Infused. I just really like how my hair feels when I am done with it. I'm just gonna run this into most of the bottoms, and then I try to get on the sides as well, just because this part is damaged and so is this up here. All right, so we're gonna try this. I hope this works. Okay, we're about to do this. Let me know if you guys have a Dyson thing, and I want to hear your thoughts. If you think it's worth it or not. I obviously haven't figured out because I haven't used it yet. Usually when I am doing my hair when it is wet, I usually just use a blow dryer and a brush. So we're gonna see how it goes with it. Usually when I use my like actual blow dryer and then my brush, it usually only takes like maybe 15 minutes for me to blow dry my entire head. So, but it's not as like I would have to straighten my hair after. So that's what we're checking today to see how it would be if I use this. So I'm going to start doing this, and I'm also going to time it because I'm very curious. So, ready? Good. Wow, it's like really pulling my hair, which is good. I know that that's like needs to be really tight. Is there like a hot? Oh yeah. So I was using the cold one. Definitely needs to be the hot one. So I have this side done, and this side, just this one side, took like 2.5 minutes just for this. It is very smooth and it feels really nice. You can see you can kind of curl the ends. That's really nice. And it's pretty much like straight. And it's like nice and flat that like I don't think I would need to use my straightener as well, but I guess we'll see once we get to the top. But I'm very impressed on this for this side. I'm gonna go right in and hit go, and let's do this side. So this side was harder for me to do. I have more hair on this side, so that was a little bit more difficult than it was me doing it over this way. But still, it looks really nice. It gets it almost all the way to the part at the top where my scalp is. It does get a little frizzy down here. I think I could have done a better job, let's be honest. But I think it's doing what it should be. Is it worth like $500? As of right now, I'm gonna say probably not, but we're gonna continue on and let's have another section. I feel like if you have like straight hair, I feel like this would be a lot easier. So let me know if you guys have straight hair and if you like it. And then also, if you have curly hair, what are your thoughts if you think it's worth it? I just feel like it all depends on like the type of hair that you have. And I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. But we're gonna continue on and let's hit go. So this side took a lot longer. It is kind of frizzy and I feel like I'm like extremely hot that my hair is starting to curl down here because it's so hot. It's taking me so long. So right now it has been 20 minutes and I still haven't done this top yet. Usually when I do my hair with like my actual blow dryer, it usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not sure yet. It is pretty freaking straight, which is really nice. I just do see frizziness that I wish was not here. I just feel like with a like $600, $500 tool, I feel like it should not be frizzy at all, right? I don't know, it could just be that I have only used it once and hasn't really figured out really how to do it. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna put this in a little clip and I'm gonna do the last section. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on with this piece right here, but I really, really like how this just did this. What is happening? Do you guys see this? Like, this is like really, really nice. Like, I don't even need to straighten my hair. And like, look at these little curls that like I've came just because of this. It is so voluminous. Like, you're seeing this, right? How did this even just happen? How did this happen? I'm like a little shocked right now. I'm gonna try to go over a couple more pieces and see if we can curl it like even more. This is crazy. You guys see this, right? First of all, I don't have bangs, so I don't really understand what's happening with this, but I kind of like it. I'm literally in shock right now. I look so cute with my hair like this. I wish I had some makeup on so you guys could see how this looks with like makeup on. Maybe I'll put some makeup on really quick. All right, I think I am going to. I'm gonna put some makeup on really quick, and then I'm gonna show you like the final result of this, but I love this. Alright, so I just finished putting my makeup on so I could see how it all looks after my hair, and I love my hair. I think it looks so cute. I'm not really sure what these little bangs are, but I think I'm actually really liking them. I think it's just, my hair is just broken, and it like broke in like the perfect spot, but I really, really like it. I think it's a little frizzy up here, which I could easily fix, but I think it looks super, super good. My hair is just looking so voluminous, if that's the word I'm looking for, and I love it. Is it worth the $500? I'm not sure. I would say probably not, just because I probably could have done the same thing with like a blow dryer and like the brush thing, which I use all the time, but whenever I use like an actual blow dryer and then like the thing with it, I always have to end up blowing, use my straightener after. But for this, I don't have to use a straightener at all, so I don't know. I feel like this would definitely help my hair get longer and stronger without having to use a straightener. Ooh, I don't know. I feel like I'm absolutely loving this, and I feel like I'm gonna end up just doing it and getting one. Maybe I'll get a like refurbished, is that the word? Refurbished? I think I'm close. But I think it looks super cute. It's like look at that volume right there. You see it, right? You see it? Alright guys, so let me know down below if you guys have used a Dyson, whichever one this is, and let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you think these are worth it. As I said, this is my neighbor's, so that was so nice of her for letting me try this. Thank you, Tara. So let me know if you guys think these are worth the price. I am not sure. I haven't decided yet, but I do really love the results with this. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.